Yo, 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 what up, people? It's your boy Cartel here. We're going to talk about the easiest way to make money online, the laziest way to make money online, why content creation is the best thing for you, how to get monetized on YouTube, and why YouTube is on easy mode. And why, if you broke, you need to get your ass on YouTube now. Okay? Turn up, sub up to the channel, thumbs up always, okay? We're talking about content and we're talking about YouTube. If you're new to making videos, you're new to making content, whether it's streaming or it's just regular videos, I want you guys to know you're in the right place, okay? I want to talk to you guys about making videos every single day, because that is my number one tip to you. Making videos every single day, making content every single day. You do that, YouTube is going to pay you thousands of dollars, okay? Thousands of dollars. I don't know if you guys know who Dontaylondon is or Doughdash, okay? Check the channel out. I'm always trying to show them love. A lot of people don't, I'm going to be honest with you, a lot of people don't care for Doughdash. But Dante, I got no slack about. I've never seen nothing, none of that. Okay, it is what it is. But I want you guys to know that YouTube monetization is the best thing for you. Okay, making videos every day. My advice to you is to learn from those mistakes, learn from other people's mistakes, and get better. And get better and better and better and better. I want to encourage you guys to learn from YouTube the best you can first, and then make the content. Okay, you gotta do your research first and then make that content. Once you do that, I think you're golden. Okay, I want to help you guys get monetized soon as possible. What comes with a channel is your brand, and I want you guys to grow your brand the best as possible. Okay, the easiest way possible. Okay, I want to help you guys out, and my advice to you after watching thousands of videos, I only watched. I was just saying I only watch the top people, but I watch a lot of people, and I like to watch the best of the best, and I want to help you guys understand that the best of the best, doesn't matter who it is, they're making videos almost every single day. Unless it's like an hour long or a 2 hour long type of video, even then people are making more long form content, and they doing that every single day. You got to treat it like a job. You got to treat it like the gym, right? How are you going to get results, and how are you going to get paid if you only go to your job and or the gym one time a month or one time a week? Like, what's that look like? It's crazy. Okay, so I want to inspire you guys, help you guys understand that content creation is the number one way out. Okay, if you're broke, you got no money, you're a teenager, you're a adult, if you want a side hustle, if you want to make money online, you need to create content every day. All you gotta do is press record and then press stop. If you can't do that, then I don't know what to tell you, because you can create content everywhere on the planet, everywhere. Think about that. That's what makes it the number one way to make money online, the laziest way to make money online, the easiest way to make money online. That right there. Because you can do it everywhere, anywhere, at any time. You just need to get better and better and better. Learn from the mistakes that you did before. Get better and better and better and better and better. That is going to be your best way out. Okay, if you're in a 9-to-5 job and you're like, man, I'm hating that 9-to-5 job. I hate that job. I really just don't like it. This is your way out. If you're listening to this, this is your way out. Make videos, purposeful content that people is going to look up and search for. Okay, if something's big going on, try to make a video about that, but try to make a better video about it than what you've seen. That is the name of the game. YouTube is a numbers game. I want to say it again. It's a numbers game. So you got to put out a lot of videos because you don't know what's going to stick. Create, and get really good at this. Because then you can literally do whatever you want, whenever you want to do it, however you want to do it. And I want to encourage you guys to do it. Today, for me, This is day number 12 of 2025 currently of making content every single day this year. Okay, because I'm making content every single day, and I want to encourage you guys to make content every single day. I want you guys to make purposeful content. I want you guys to grow your brand, grow your community, because I believe everybody should have a big, huge community. Is everybody going to have one? No, everybody can't win. But what I'm telling you is, on YouTube, everybody can win. Okay, everybody can win. Doesn't mean they're going to. Be purposeful, make content, look at other YouTubers, okay, and then try to mimic what they do, and then make it your version, but make it better, okay? I believe in everybody who's watching this video, because if you're watching this video, you have a YouTube channel. That means you have the opportunity to make content on a daily basis. You have an opportunity to grow your brand. Your brand and your community will never find you if you do not make content. How is someone going to find you when you got thousands and millions of people making content every single day, and it grows? It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger every single day. You got to realize that. Every single day, people are making content all day long about all kinds of different things. You need to make long form content, and you need to do this every single day to even... Because what's going to happen is, if you do it once a month or once a week, you're going to have the long-term effect where you're not even going to see progress. You're not even going to see any type of cash flow for like years. I want you to get paid in months, maybe in a month. Seriously, maybe in a month. Make videos every single day, especially if you're new to YouTube, okay? This is going to be your fastest way to get monetized on YouTube. Make videos every single day. Leave the shorts alone. Focus on the videos. Live form vertical feeds they're working. YouTube is pushing those out, but I want to encourage you guys to make videos horizontal every single day. If you make multiple, even better. Okay, just try to make it about different types of topic. All right, this is going to be the number one way for you to change your whole life around. For you to grow your brand. If you guys are still watching this at the 7 minutes and 45 minute mark, I want you to put a W in the chat. All right, sub up to the channel, because I post daily videos. Again, we're posting every single day this year. Okay, it may be on. For you guys to get notified about that, gotta sub up. It's completely free. I want to put you guys on game, help you guys with making money. Make sure you get this video a thumbs up also, and I catch you on the next one.